You can break a door and damage your opponent's health using a Molotov in this way. If your teammate is offline and the blue zone is coming towards you, you can carry your offline teammate on a vehicle in this manner and take him towards the safe zone. You can mark the airdrops in this manner and find out the exact distance. Open the minimap and mark a pointer at the same distance in the same direction. You'll find the drop over there. You can stand on these boxes inside the shed to fire at enemies on your right and left. You can check the bottom right corner of your screen to know whether it's a night mode match or not. If shot from a range of 200 meters, Car 98 can damage a fresh level 3 helmet up to almost 82%. M24 can damage it almost 87%. And an AWM can fully damage a level 3 helmet. You can land on top of the bridge in order to reach the other end faster rather than choosing to swim. It takes 38 bullets to blast a buggy with the M416, and here's the info for the rest of the guns. It takes 45 bullets to blast a car with the M416, and here's the info for the rest of the guns. It takes 49 bullets to blast a Jeep with the M416, and here's the info for the rest of the guns. Stand on the couch and pull the smoke. Hold it in your hand till the end. Now aim towards the stairs. Only you can see your enemies. They can't see you. One more way to do this is to stand on this railing and hold the grenade until it blooms. Now take your position over here. You can see them clearly, but they can't. Using this trick, you can jump faster than ever. Mark your landing location, turn yourself perpendicular to it, look down, and keep the joystick at a 10 o'clock angle. A level 1 bag has a capacity of 300, level 2 has a capacity of 350, and level 3 has a capacity of 400. A grenade occupies 18 bits of space, a Molotov occupies 16 bits, and the smoke occupies 14 bits of space. Taking the grenade as a base, we can keep 45 ammo of .45 ACP, 45 ammo of 9mm, 36 ammo of 5.56, 25 ammo of 7.62, 18 ammo of 300 Magnum, or 13 ammo of 12 gauge instead of the grenade. When you play a war game, keep an eye on the respawn timer. Don't kill your enemies when the timer is less than 10 seconds, because they will respawn very soon. Wait until the timer restarts, and then kill them. You can jump in this manner from one building to the other in order to confuse your enemies and kill them easily. When you're about to loot in the water, make sure that your more preferable rifle is on the second slot, because the new weapon picked up would always go on the first slot. You cannot change your weapon's position while you're in the water. Ever wondered what the merit is for? The merit system is to measure the behavior of the gamers. Each player has 100 merit points. When you kill your teammate, your merit is reduced by 10 points. The next repeated violation would reduce 15 merit points, and then 30 each time a teammate is deliberately killed. You would only be allowed to play solo matches if your merit reaches below 50. You can earn merit points as follows: +3 if you finish in the top 10, +2 if you finish from 11 to 50, and +1 if you finish from 51 to 100. You can use a grenade in this manner to take out your stuck vehicle. This indicates the fuel capacity of vehicles. It is divided into 4 parts, that is, 4 liters of fuel. A buggy gives a mileage of almost 5,000 meters per liter in normal mode and almost 3,500 meters per liter in turbo mode. A car gives a mileage of 3,500 meters per liter in normal mode and almost 1,200 meters per liter in turbo mode. A Jeep gives a mileage of almost 4,000 meters per liter in normal mode and almost 1,300 meters per liter in turbo mode. Enable the Quick Scope Switch button in the settings to get an option like this to switch between your scopes. While jumping off a high building, move inwards and stay attached to the wall to avoid fall damage. Here's a fun tip. You can find a chicken on top of these crates in the training mode. Here's a bonus tip. Subscribe to Clash Universe for more such videos. Let's keep a like aim of 10,000. Hope you guys do it.